Okay, so a quick video here, and it's not on the quad here, it's on the Eachine Nebula Micro, which is actually made by Caddx, but I guess it's rebranded for Eachine. And at first I thought, well, there's not much difference between this one as it's got a red case versus a silver case, but in fact, there's a few things I should note, and I figured I'd make a video so you at least would know about it. So here's the box that comes in, and you can see obviously the red case. The lens is the main difference here. It's got a 1.66 millimeter lens. I think it's on one of the other Caddx cameras, I can't remember, but it's a really wide lens. So it ends up with a 165 degree field of view on this image versus I think the standard Nebula Micro is like 155 degrees. So it makes a big difference in the vertical field of view. It's quite a bit more, and I think it overall makes the image a lot more pleasing to look at, especially because when you're flying around, this is only a 16:9 image. There's no 4:3 available on Nebula Micro. So with that extra vertical field of view, this thing, I think this lens looks better to fly through than the standard Nebula Micro. Also, in the footage you'll see at the end, I did change the settings to my custom settings that I like. There's a previous video I did about that, how you can change your settings if you like those. Go check out that video, and you can get replicate the settings I have in the video that you get from the Nebula Micro, for at least for this version, the Eachine version with the nicer, larger field of view. Now I'll have a video tomorrow on this quad here. If you guys are curious what this is, it's the Tomo Quad's Katana V2. This is a 5-inch frame. It's actually on sale. I'm not sure if it's only today, Labor Day, but maybe for the rest of this week. Anyway, I know it's for sale today for sure. There's a coupon code, I believe, for like 12% off or something down this frame if you're interested in that. But yeah, if you want to know more information about this frame, it'll be out. The video will be out tomorrow. And basically, I just have a Caddx Nebula Micro in here, and it's got the new, I think it's the new JHE MCU all-in-one flight controller board, and the new, this is the beta FPV, or the 1606 2550 kV motors. So this will be out tomorrow for that video. So it'll be, if you want to see additional footage from this camera, that will be also in tomorrow's video. And then also I want to let you guys know that there's going to be a Banggood promotion that's coming up later this week. In that video that's going to be announcing that promotion, there's going to be a giveaway that's only going to be basically the giveaway is only going to be on for about 6 hours after the video has been released. So if you don't have your notifications turned on and you come to the video late, I will have already selected the winner after 6 hours after the publication of the video. So I'm just letting you guys know, the first you guys that watch a lot of my videos, be aware that that one's coming. If you don't want to miss a giveaway, make sure your notifications are turned on. Anyway, here's the footage from this guy, and let me know what you guys think. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
you.